Okay, so just wanted to make you aware of Bedrock. We don't need to go through it in depth, but just kind of be aware of it. So the main suite of tools here that kind of make up everything we've discussed today really comes down to AWS's SageMaker and Bedrock. And these are just some features here. Just kind of pulling them up on the screen. They'll be in the recording as well. And of course, you could read bullet by bullet. I'm not going to read bullets to you. You can do that for yourself. But the main thing here is, again, Bedrock has a lot of overlap with Hugging Face, though. Okay. So these are just some features. I'm not going to go line by line through them. Just want you to be aware of them. This way, they're also in the recording. If you go grab the recording after this, you can always pause it on these screens and see them for yourself. We don't typically share out the slide deck, but you'll see them in the recording. So I want to make sure they're in the recording here. So we don't need to go crazy into Bedrock, just a bunch of little slides with some bullets on them as far as some features and things like that. But generally speaking, we kind of went over the high level of Bedrock, and that is that it's very much like Hugging Face. Okay, so I'm going to leave these. This is also, again, this is where Bedrock adds the extra compliance. There's all kinds of bullets here around compliance standards and the ability to achieve those, where I may not be able to achieve those with Hugging Face directly for reasons described already. Okay. And then, of course, also Bedrock maybe adds some additional legal protection too. So this is that indemnity that was actually asked earlier, right? Copyright claims arising from this stuff. So this is where there's uncapped indemnity. That's kind of interesting, right? So another reason to maybe use Bedrock as opposed to Hugging Face. Hugging Face doesn't necessarily directly offer you this. This might be license by license. So this is another reason maybe to consider using Bedrock as well.